Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set more snooze time on your alarm on iOS 26. So are you tired of the 9-minute snooze, which you had in your previous iOS versions? You can now customize it. So you can set it from 1 minute to 30 plus. So let me show you how to do this. So here you're going to go ahead and first open up your clock app, then tap on alarms, go ahead and set an alarm, and then go ahead and tap on your snooze duration. And now here you can go ahead and choose from 9 minutes to all the way 15 minutes. So you can take control of your morning. So whether you need a longer snooze or a shorter power nap, now it's all up to you. So there you go guys, that is how to set more snooze time on your alarms on your iPhone running iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.